Here they come. Lisa, Chris, and Christina. We are having a wonderful time. What we're doing is visiting different trains in Pennsylvania. Hi, Chris the Hobby Guy, and I'm with my family. We are visiting different trains. Old-fashioned trains that are in Pennsylvania. We're taking pictures. And we're also looking at the trains for their historical value. A lot of fun. It's a great thing to do with your family, visiting trains. Thank you from Chris the Hobby Guy.
Trains were built in the 1800s and they were a really important part of the American history. I really enjoyed doing this with Chris the Hobby Guy, and it's just a great experience being on a train.
Pennsylvania has so many old trains to go look at. This is an old train yard that we found. It's really fun to come look at trains. It's a nice hobby and a lot of fun. Take your family along. This train was built in the late 1800s. It ran on coal, and it was a means of transportation for so many people out here in Pennsylvania. They transported people, they also transported goods and food. Trains were an important part of American history. I want to thank you so much for watching. Chris the Hobby Guy, have a great day. This is the inside car of a train from the 1800s. It's amazing. 1800s. This is an old locomotive. It's amazing. It's really fun. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Riding trains is a really good thing to watch for your family. It's a really fun hobby to do, and I think every family should do this, and I hope your family does it someday too. Thanks.